Good evening. I am at Alphaville right now. As you can see, I'm sitting here at Alphaville, which is APN 36433141. Not that that's super important, but we will get into that in a little bit. I want to talk about how to set the town to manufacture various different things. We need to go to manage trade in the town hall. Okay, so we press 5 and it shows that I currently have 12 tons of rare that I'm selling. I have foodstuffs and all the stuffs that I'm selling, but I want to talk about how I'm going to set it to make fabricated and make fuel from the three things that they're being made from. Rare and common get made into fab, and obviously fuel comes from fuel ore. So let's take a look at the fuel itself. I press the 8. It shows that I want to have a maximum 6,000 tons on hand, the price I'm willing to buy it for, and then you get to the staff to produce. I said I want 59%, which is 224 colonists, to produce it, and I want one person to be transferring it to the adjacent plot, which happens to be Alphaville Airport in this case. If you take a look at the number, it's 36423142, and I know that that is the Alphaville Airport, which is just south and west of me. I'm selling it for 180 credits a ton, and I don't care if I sell all of it. That is how you produce it now. Fuel ore, you'll notice 224 people making it. If I back out to this page right here, fuel, I'm transferring 5.7 metric tons because I have the 1% of the people transferring it, and I am making 9.801 metric tons a day. Now if I bump this up to the extra 1,000 people and I stop the making of the fabricated materials, you'll notice I'm making 90 tons of those a day. I could bump that up a fair amount, but we don't want to do that because I want this to be a nice balanced town. Now let's go to 7, fabricated materials. I have 76 colonists making it. 10% of the people are moving it to the airport again, and 76 people are making, we already saw that back on the other page, they're making 91 tons a day, and that is because I'm at 150% efficiency because I have such wonderfully happy people, because every time I visit here I do the diplomacy role, and not Skippy but Raina has phenomenal diplomacy because I do it every day. I visit these plots. Every time I visit the plot, I always do diplomacy to try and make them as happy as possible. And that's how you decide what you're making right now. We can't make consumer goods yet, but when that gets to be a thing, I'm sure that you'll be done at the town, and I don't know what all is going to be used in that.